Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. Join me today for a bit of a vlog as I press some flowers. Here I am picking my favorite flowers. I will put the name of these flowers on the screen, and as you can see there are new buds coming out, but for some reason they have not bloomed yet. So if you know anything about that, I would love to hear in the comments down below. These snow crystals are so delicate and pretty. I grew up with them in my yard, so I love those. These pink flowers right here are super vibrant, and they stand up on their stem in a way that it kind of reminds me of a mushroom. But there's new buds, so I trimmed most of these, and there are new buds coming in, but for some reason the second batch didn't grow in as vibrant and they were kind of wilted. So if you know anything about that, I would also love to hear any advice down in the comments below. I don't know anything about growing flowers, but I want to learn, and I've been going to the hardware stores whenever they have sales on flowers, which I did not know that they had sales on flowers. But I've been collecting, and I'm really enjoying seeing all of these flowers grow and then pressing the flowers, as you'll see later in this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog style video from me today. If you like this type of video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below so that I know. And stay tuned for the unveiling of these pressed flowers, as well as lots of future projects with the pressed flowers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.